Have you ever wanted to hold a magical mushroom? Now you can. Imagine the wonder of creating something so enchanting with your own hands. It's not just a craft, it's a journey into a world of creativity and imagination. With just a piece of paper, you can create your own origami mushroom. This simple sheet of paper holds endless possibilities. The magic begins the moment you pick it up and start folding. Origami is the art of paper folding. It comes from Japan. This ancient art form has been passed down through generations, bringing joy and a sense of accomplishment to those who practice it. You can make amazing things with origami. From simple shapes to intricate designs, the possibilities are endless. Each fold transforms the paper, bringing it to life in a new and exciting way. Today, we will learn how to fold a cute paper mushroom. This delightful project is perfect for beginners and experienced folders alike. Follow along with our step-by-step guide, and you'll have your own magical mushroom in no time. This is a fun project for everyone. Whether you're crafting alone or with friends and family, the joy of creating something beautiful is universal. It's a wonderful way to spend time together and share in the creative process. It doesn't matter if you are young or old. Origami transcends age, bringing people of all generations together. It's a timeless activity that fosters connection and creativity. It doesn't matter if you are new to origami or an expert folder. Everyone can enjoy the process and the satisfaction of creating something with their own hands. The beauty of origami lies in its accessibility and the joy it brings to all who try it. Let's get started and fold our own magical mushrooms. Gather your paper and your imagination, and let's embark on this creative adventure together. With each fold, you'll be one step closer to holding your very own magical mushroom. So let's dive in and discover the magic of origami. Origami is a wonderful activity for all ages. It's a great way to exercise your brain and improve your focus. Origami helps develop patience and fine motor skills. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see a simple piece of paper transform into something beautiful. The best part? You don't need any special tools, just a square piece of paper and your imagination. So gather your family or friends and get ready for some folding fun. Before we begin folding, let's gather our materials. Don't worry, you only need a few simple things. Paper. You can use origami paper or regular paper cut into a square. Origami paper comes in beautiful colors and patterns. Scissors. You will need scissors if you are cutting your own square from a larger piece of paper. Your imagination. Get ready to be creative. That's it. You are now ready to fold your own paper mushroom. Start with a square. Place your paper on a flat surface. Ensure that the paper is perfectly square, as any irregularities can affect the final shape of your mushroom cap. Smooth out any wrinkles or creases to make sure the paper lies flat. This will make the subsequent folds much easier and more precise. Make sure the colored side is facing down. This is important because the colored side will eventually become the outer surface of your mushroom cap, giving it a vibrant and appealing look. If your paper has a pattern, make sure it is oriented in the way you want it to appear on the final product. Fold in half. Fold the paper in half diagonally. Bring one corner of the square to meet the opposite corner, creating a triangle. Press down firmly along the fold to create a sharp crease. This step is crucial for the structural integrity of your mushroom cap. This creates a big triangle. Make sure the edges are aligned perfectly. If they are not, adjust them before pressing down on the fold. A well-aligned triangle will make the next steps much easier and more accurate. Fold again. Fold the triangle in half again. This time, bring the two corners of the large triangle together to form a smaller triangle. Press down firmly along the new fold to create another sharp crease. This smaller triangle will serve as the base for the mushroom cap. Now you have a smaller triangle. Ensure that all the edges are aligned and the creases are sharp. This will make the unfolding process smoother and more precise. Make the cap unfold the last fold. Carefully open up the smaller triangle to reveal the larger triangle inside. Be gentle to avoid tearing the paper. The creases you made earlier will guide the next steps. You will see a crease down the middle of the triangle. This crease is essential as it will help you align the next folds accurately. Make sure it is clearly visible and well-defined. Fold the bottom two corners of the triangle up to meet the top corner. This will create a diamond shape with a smaller triangle on top. Press down firmly on the folds to ensure they hold their shape. This step is crucial for forming the mushroom cap. Now your paper looks like a diamond with a triangle on top. Make sure the edges are aligned and the folds are sharp. This will make the final steps much easier and more precise. Congratulations! You have just created the cap of your paper mushroom. Take a moment to admire your work. The cap should be symmetrical and well-formed. If it is not, you can make minor adjustments to the folds to improve its shape. Now let's move on to the stem. The stem will complete your paper mushroom and give it a realistic look. Gather another piece of paper and get ready to follow the next set of instructions. The process will be similar, but with a few key differences to create the stem. Your paper mushroom is almost ready, but let's add some personality. You can decorate your mushroom with markers, crayons, or colored pencils. Draw dots on the cap to make it look like a real mushroom. You can also cut out shapes from colored paper and glue them onto your mushroom. Try adding a face to your mushroom. Give it eyes, a nose, and a big smile. Be creative and have fun with it. What will you do with your finished paper mushroom? The possibilities are truly endless, and each one can be as unique as the mushroom itself. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there's a world of creativity waiting for you. There are so many possibilities. You can use your paper mushrooms in a variety of ways to add a touch of whimsy and charm to your everyday life. Imagine the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands and then finding the perfect use for it. Home decor. Make several mushrooms in different sizes and colors. Arrange them on a shelf or a mantelpiece to create a delightful display that brings a bit of nature indoors. You can even mix and match different patterns and textures to suit your personal style. Group them together for a whimsical centerpiece. Perfect for a dining table or a coffee table, these paper mushrooms can be the star of your next gathering. Add some fairy lights or other natural elements like twigs and leaves to enhance the magical feel. Gifts. Everyone loves receiving handmade gifts. Your paper mushrooms can be a thoughtful and unique present for friends and family. Personalize them with colors and designs that reflect the recipient's personality, making each gift truly special. Your paper mushrooms would make lovely bookmarks or gift tags. Imagine the delight of opening a gift adorned with a charming paper mushroom tag, or marking your place in a favorite book with a whimsical mushroom bookmark. Story time. Use your mushrooms to create a magical forest scene for storytelling. Children and adults alike will be enchanted by the miniature world you create. Use them to bring your favorite fairy tales to life or to invent new stories of your own. Mobile. Tie your mushrooms to strings and hang them from a hanger or embroidery hoop for a playful mobile. This can be a delightful addition to a nursery or a whimsical decoration for any room in your home. Watch as the mushrooms dance and sway with the slightest breeze. Let your imagination run wild. The possibilities are endless. From home decor to gifts, bookmarks to storytime props, and even playful mobiles, your paper mushrooms can be anything you dream them to be. So gather your supplies, unleash your creativity, and start crafting your own world of mushroom magic today. Learning to fold origami is a rewarding experience. It's amazing what you can create with just a piece of paper. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first mushroom isn't perfect. Just keep practicing and have fun. So go ahead, grab some paper and start folding your own magical mushrooms. Origami is even more fun when you share it with others. Invite your friends and family to join you for a folding session. You can teach them how to make their own mushrooms. Origami is a wonderful way to connect with others and create lasting memories. So spread the joy of origami and share your creations with the world. I hope you enjoyed this fun and easy origami mushroom tutorial. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Keep exploring the magical world of origami, and I'll be back soon with more exciting folding adventures.